Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can remove our SIM card from OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to do this, we will need to use the pin for the SIM tray, the pin ejector, and then at the bottom of the device we can find the SIM tray on the left side over here, as well as the hole, and we need to place the pin inside that hole. There we go, and then push it just a little bit until the SIM tray comes out slightly, and then use your fingers in order to take it out completely. And of course we have our SIM card placed in the slot, and in order to take it out you can just bend the SIM tray just a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna place it inside one more time. There we go. So just try to bend it just slightly, not too much, in order to not break it, but once you do, it should come out just a little bit, and then you can try to use your fingers or fingernails, or it should just go out pretty easily by itself as well. And then we need to, of course, insert the SIM tray back in. Of course, SIM 1 is the front, we will see the information. Let's try to get focused. There we go. It says face the screen, so this is the front side. And let's put it back in. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.